Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we have something truly special in store for you. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of becoming an incredible conversationalist? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, I will reveal 6 powerful techniques that will turn you into a conversation master, capable of connecting with anyone, anywhere, and anytime. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Technique number 1 is empathetic listening. Picture this. You're talking to someone and their eyes lights up as they speak. What do? You listen. But not just any listening, empathetic listening. This technique goes beyond hearing words. It's about understanding, feeling, and emotions. Listen not to reply, but to truly comprehend what other person is experiencing. When you listen empathetically, you create a safe space for them to express themselves, foster a deep emotional connection, and remember, sometimes the most meaningful conversations are the ones where you say at the least. Technique number 2 is genuine curiosity. Let's be real. Conversation can become dull if they revolve around surface level topics. So how do we keep them exciting? Simple, genuine curiosity. Show a sincere interest in what others have to say. Ask open-ended questions. Explore their passion and dig deeper into their experiences. People love talking about themselves, and by being curious, you make them feel valued and appreciated. Technique number 3 is power of storytelling. What's the oldest form of communication known to humanity? Yeah, storytelling. It's the power to captivate, inspire, and forge strong connections. Become a master storyteller, and you'll be able to keep your audience hooked. Craft your stories with emotional, relatable characters and a touch of vulnerability. A well-told tale will leave a lasting impression, and it's a fantastic way to break the ice and make new friends. Technique number 4, positive body language. Did you know the words are just a small part of communication? Most of it happens non-verbal through body language. So let's unlock the secrets of positive body language. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and offer a genuine smile. Mirroring the body language can also create a sense of connection. When your body language radiates positivity, you'll be amazed at how easily you can connect with others. Technique number 5 is art of validation. In a world that often feels disconnected, validation can be a lifeline. Remember, validation doesn't mean agreement. It means acknowledging someone's feeling and experiences. When you validate others, you create an environment of trust and understanding. Be open-minded and accept of diverse perspective, and you'll be amazed at the deep bonds you can form with people from all around the world and all walk of life. Technique number 6 is cultivate empathy. A final technique, perhaps the most crucial one, is cultivating empathy. It's the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes and feel what they feel. Empathy is the foundation of meaningful connections. It allows us to truly see each other's, share joy, and support one another through difficult times. When you empathize, you create an emotional bond that transcends words. There you have it, dear viewers, the 6 powerful techniques of conversation with anyone in the world. By incorporating these practices into your daily interaction, you'll find yourself building deeper and more fulfilling relationships. Remember, it's not just about talking about truly connection. So go out there, spread empathy, and let your conversation touch hearts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more emotional and catchy content like this. Until next time, keep spreading love, kindness, and connection. If you want to be a part of my community where I share a lot of information that can help you build a strong character of yourself and achieve a lot of success in your life, the link is in the description to join my community. I share valuable information every single day. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.